briefing was done by Honorable CM Sir and also by the Exposition Secretary. Today this briefing has been called to update you, since a lot of you wanted to know what security arrangements have been made by the district police regarding the exposition. So this briefing had been called. Basically, as you are aware, that the exposition will be conducted from November 21st to January 5th. During this time period, we expect a large number of people to attend and come to Old Goa. Keeping in mind all the security related concerns, we have put in place an elaborate security arrangement. This arrangement has been put by police headquarters and it consists of three broad dimensions. One is the inside the venue, which is being provided by the security unit. Then the traffic police has drawn up elaborate traffic arrangement plan, and the district police is going to provide all police related arrangements around and also inside the venue. In total, around 1,000 police personnel will be doing duty from the district police on one particular day. These persons have been deployed in 3 shifts. Sufficient number of police inspectors, police sub-inspectors and DYSPs have been deployed to supervise all these men. We have also, with the help of PWD, constructed watch towers, sand bunkers, and around 400 CCTV cameras have been put in place. A control room for CCTV cameras has been set up. On our request, PWD has also put up large number of signages at key places specifying what is allowed, what is not allowed inside the venue. Parking and no marking places have been, signages have been put regarding that also. So through your medium, we want to assure you that Goa Police is committed to ensuring that a very good and safe event will pass off, and we've been working closely with the church authorities and also with the Exposition Secretariat, so that any concerns which they have regarding the security aspect are immediately and promptly addressed. Now, if you have any questions, you may ask.
Sir, ये रूट डाइवर्जन के लिए क्या?
इसके अंदर जैसे एज यू आर अवेयर, ट्रैफिक एडवाइजरी हैज बीन इशूड बाय एसपी ट्रैफिक ऑफिस, so you may refer to that advisory. That advisory contains all the necessary information.
So apart from Goa, there are many volunteers.
Church has communicated to us that around 1,000 volunteers have been put in place to coordinate with the police and also with the church regarding the smooth visit of all tourists and pilgrims.
सर, एक्सपोजिशन के अलावा इफ़ी को कितना स्टाफ या कितने लोग?
जी, तो जैसे कल से हमारा एक्सपोजिशन का इनॉग्रेशन है और आज शाम को इफ़ी का इनॉग्रेशन है, और ये दोनों ही हमारे पैंजन सब डिवीज़न के अंदर आते हैं, दोनों ही वेन्यूज़। तो सेम तरीके से हमने इफ़ी के अंदर भी एक प्रॉपर डिप्लॉयमेंट किया गया है. मोर देन 300 पुलिस पर्सनल हैव बीन डिप्लॉयड फॉर इफ़ी अरेंजमेंट, and elaborate arrangements have been made for the opening ceremony, which is today, and for the closing ceremony, which is on 28, and then arrangements have been kept again for all the days at the venues like Inox, Kala Academy, DB Ground, Inox in Porvorim, जहाँ पे भी movies की screening होगी. At all these places also we have deployed our staff. We are working closely with ESG, with NFDC, and we are very the coordination is good, and we are sure that we will have a very smooth IFFI this time.
So sir, these two events are happening side by side. So how you are making sure that law and order situation is going to come compromised and the security is provided?
We, the police headquarters, Varji DGP sir, has given us sufficient number of police personnel, and so therefore we are confident that we will be able to do these things. As you are also aware, every year we also have the novenas and IFFI. So the Goa police has been doing these events simultaneously in the past also. So this time also we will be able to manage it easily.
इसमें चेकिंग पॉइंट कितने रहेंगे?
यहाँ पे हर गेट पे जहाँ से एंट्री है वहाँ पे DFMDs मतलब डोर फ्रेम मेटल डिटेक्टर्स, HHMD हैंड हेल्ड मेटल डिटेक्टर्स लगाए गए हैं और स्ट्रेटेजिक पॉइंट्स पे क्विक रिएक्शन टीम्स लगाई गई हैं, जिसके अंदर एंटी टेररिस्ट स्क्वाड के कमांडोज को डिप्लॉय किया गया है और वॉच टावर्स को खड़ा किया गया है ताकि थोड़े हाइट पे बाय यूज ऑफ बाइनोकुलर्स एंड अदर इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स एनी जो भी किसी भी तरीके का कोई अगर गलत काम करने वाला कोई व्यक्ति हो तो उसको इजीली स्पॉट करके उस पर एक्शन ले लिया जाए।
ड्रोन का भी यूज किया गया है।
ड्रोन का भी हम यूज़ करेंगे इसके अंदर। डेडिकेटेड ड्रोन हैज़ बीन केप्ट टू ओवरसी दीज अरेंजमेंट। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.